fifth grade. Welcome back to reading. This video is for Monday, April 6th. As you can see, the background to this video is kind of different from what you saw last week. I'm working from home now, and so I thought I'd bring you outside so that you can enjoy some of the view that I get to see from my backyard. Our story this week is called Eagle on a Leash, and I just thought that we needed to be outside for the introduction to this story. So, not that I think we're going to see any eagles back here. We do sometimes see hawks and other types of birds, but I just thought that it would be great to be outside enjoying this nice weather for a change. I'm wondering if many of you have ever seen any eagles before. Several years ago, when my husband and I took a cruise to Alaska, we saw quite a few eagles. And at first it was really exciting. We would see one and we go, oh, there's an eagle, there's an eagle. And then by the end of the week, it's, oh yeah, there's another eagle. They're so common there. We don't get to see them much around where we live, but in some parts of the country, they are just about as common as some of the birds that we see around here. So it made me think about a verse from the Bible in Isaiah chapter 40, verse 31 says, "They that wait upon the Lord will renew their strength. They will mount up with wings as eagles. They will run and not be weary. They will walk and not faint." And that verse just made me think about how we need to be right now with everything that's going on, that we just need to wait upon the Lord and He will give us the strength to carry on and to persevere during this time. And so my hope and prayer is that that's what you're doing, that you're spending time with the Lord each day and you're asking Him to give you the strength for that day. We're going to go back inside now and do the rest of the introduction to our story. Okay, fifth grade, we're back inside. This is my makeshift studio or classroom where I'll be doing videotaping. I've taken over the living room in my house and have the camera set up and my whiteboard and everything. So I'm going to try to make it as much like our classroom as I can. So again, this is reading for Monday, April 6th. And our story is Eagle on a Leash. I have 3 vocabulary words that I'd like you to look up: curtly, jesses, and menacingly. So if you want to go ahead and pause the video, you can look those up in the glossary in the back of your book. All right, so you should have looked them up and you should have seen that curtly means rude or abrupt in manner. So an example of a sentence would be, it is not polite to reply curtly to a question. All right, our next word is jesses. Jesses are short straps that are attached to the leg of a bird. And in the glossary, it also said that a leash could be attached to the jesses. And so we could use the sentence, Brian tied the leather jesses around the bird's legs. And then our last word is menacingly, and it means in a threatening manner. The mean dog bared his teeth menacingly. So today you're going to begin reading the story, Eagle on a Leash, page 279 to 283. And it's about a golden eagle named Rama. So I want you to look at the picture on page 279 and ask yourself, why is the eagle kept on a leash? Enjoy the first part of our story.